What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Wacek, and today I want to share with you what I think is the absolute best way to get started with affiliate marketing and start generating revenue online without having to have an audience already. Because a lot of people online talk about doing affiliate marketing and usually leveraging their YouTube channels, their social media followings, their email list, and all of that stuff is absolutely fine and dandy. It's a great way to make a lot of money. I do that currently, and I actually plan to do a lot more of that in the very near future with products and services that I use in my business and I recommend that my followers should use because it will help them with their business. However, there is another way to generate revenue online with affiliate marketing, and that is called pay per call. So basically what this business model is that you have people out there online looking for some type of service in most cases. Sometimes it's a product, but most of the time it's a service. So essentially at the tip of the iceberg, basically what we're doing is that we have people over here, usually online, that have a problem that need to be solved. Then we have this other party over here that has businesses that work for them that want to have more customers. What we do in the middle is bridge the gap between those two parties, and then we get paid a commission for doing that. And so that is the very base explanation of that. And so seeing this in action, we head over here to Google and we are looking for a water damage repair contractor in the city of Minneapolis, Minnesota. So going back to our example, we have a person that is online searching for something. They have a problem that needs to be solved. That is, they have some type of water leak in their house. And so how we turn this person into basically revenue from our affiliate network, which we're going to put right here, the affiliate network. And obviously then they will send that lead to the contractor who is going to be doing that work. And then once accepted to an affiliate network, you will receive a phone number, whether it's a local one or it's a toll-free one, depending on the company that you are working for. That is basically all set up for a person to make that phone call. It'll usually be an automated voice response that will prompt that caller, and then they get that whole thing facilitated. At that point, you basically take that phone number and place it either on your website or on any of the other entities that I'm going to cover here in this video for generating phone calls through 3 different main entities. And so basically the 3 main ways that we can capture people to basically become a lead and generate revenue from them is either the first one, which is YouTube videos, which we can either upload and then rank with doing a bunch of backlinks and SEO stuff, or you can live stream them. It's a very high volume type of thing where it's churn and burn. You're doing a lot of them every single day, but they cost next to nothing to produce. So there's one option where they cost basically nothing to produce, and you will then just stick the phone number right there in the title after the keyword. I have a video that goes more in depth on that, and I will link to it down below. The other method, and this takes a little bit more time, takes a little bit more investment, more capital, and overall just more effort, is a fully blown website where you can either run ads to the site, which I recommend definitely doing, where you can learn AdWords and that sort of thing. And also you can do SEO for the site, so that way it will show up in the organic search results. That does take some time. That can take anywhere between 2 and 6 or even more months than that. But once it's up there and you continue maintaining those rankings, you're going to be getting traffic to that site without having to run ads, which is something that's very cool. You just have to make sure you maintain your rankings. And you can also run call-only ads through Google and even on Facebook, but you do need to have a website in order to be able to do that, because in order to run those, both of those ad platforms will require you to enter your website, so that way they know that the phone number is legit and it's all that type of stuff. So all 3 of these methods work tremendously, and you can also use this type of business model to expand on in the future. You can do YouTube rankings and sell them to businesses, or rent the listing to a business and have their phone number on there. I've done that with some clients of mine. It's gotten them some pretty good results, even with just a YouTube video that's been hosted online. Same thing with a website, and that will also translate over with the skills that you develop from building these types of websites. You can then get clients and build websites for them, or you can continue building more affiliate sites and ranking them or running ads to them just like that. So all 3 of these methods are very much so viable. However, this one's more a churn and burn, but it is the most beginner friendly because it costs really nothing. All you need to have is basically a few different video templates that you can acquire for $10-20, and then you'll need Wirecast or any type of streaming software that you can acquire for less than $50 in most cases. Then with the website, it's going to cost you $20 a month for the hosting and whatnot. And then if you're going to be doing SEO, you're going to have to be able to purchase PBNs and other sorts of off-page SEO and spend time working and doing the on-page SEO. So there's a little bit more investment there. And ads are obviously going to cost you either per click or per phone call that you generate. And the cost for that can vary tremendously depending on the niche that you're in, as well as the competition level. And so now a person has clicked on our ad and it would cost us, we'll say $5. And then that person goes and views our website, they like what they see, and then they make the phone call. And they're on the phone for 90 seconds or whatever the recommended duration is. We then have generated anywhere between, this can vary a lot depending on the niche that you are working in. There are some very, very low ticket ones such as lawn care, which only pays like 15 or 12 bucks or something per qualified phone call. Otherwise, there are higher ticket niches out there such as rehab addiction, which could be anywhere between $400 to $800 per lead that you generate, and even it's a little bit lower ticket, but they're still relatively high margin, is water damage restoration or fire damage, where it can be anywhere between $50 to $100 depending on the network that you are working with. So anyways, that person has now converted. We made 50 bucks off of that conversion. We did not have to go to work for 3 hours or 5 hours or whatever to generate that $50. We had a website that we built, could have been months ago that we built it, or we started running an ad campaign 2 days ago and it just got started. That person clicked on the ad, they went to the site, and boom, we made the 50 bucks off that $5 click. So anyways, that is pay-per-call affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I really like this business model for multiple reasons. The first one being that it teaches you some very, very, very valuable skill sets that you can apply to other businesses in the future if you so choose to do that, whether you want to be doing maybe work for clients in the future, building them websites, running SEO campaigns for them, doing AdWords campaigns for them, or you can do this with other affiliate websites. Or if you wanted to create another type of business in the future, you know how to build a website for that business, you know how to then run ads to get people to that website, you know how to do SEO. It's just a really, really valuable skill set to have. And in the meantime, you're making money with this skill set. So it's really a huge win-win. Also, I love it so much because you don't have to have a massive capital upfront investment in order to get people onto your email list to then send them to your affiliate offers or anything like that, because that can be very expensive to get started, or you have to be very, very diligent and patient in building an audience organically. So anyways, that is what I have for you today. If you like this type of content, be sure to go down below, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications, so that way you know when the newest content comes here to my channel. So with all of that said, my name is Matt Wacek, and thanks so much for checking out my channel. I will see you in the next one.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it.